Hidden gems of Old Town Square you never knew existed. Old Town Square, Staroměstské, is the historic heart of Prague, a vibrant and picturesque space that has been the stage for centuries of Czech history. This iconic square has witnessed the ebb and flow of empires, revolutions, and cultural renaissances, making it a testament to Prague's rich heritage. With its stunning architectural landmarks, deep cultural significance, and dynamic atmosphere, Old Town Square remains one of the most visited and cherished locations in the city. Historical foundations of Old Town Square. Early beginnings. The origins of Old Town Square trace back to the 10th century when it served as a bustling marketplace. Its strategic location at the crossroads of key trade routes transformed it into a hub for commerce and communication. Merchants and travelers from across Europe gathered here, contributing to the square's dynamic and cosmopolitan character. A witness to history. Throughout the centuries, Old Town Square has been a stage for pivotal events in Czech history. It has hosted royal celebrations, political protests, and moments of great tragedy. One of the most poignant episodes occurred in 1621, when 27 Czech noblemen were executed in the square following the Battle of White Mountain. Their sacrifice is commemorated by 27 crosses embedded in the cobblestone pavement. The square was also the site of significant demonstrations during the Velvet Revolution of 1989, which marked the end of communist rule in Czechoslovakia. These events have imbued the square with a profound sense of historical and cultural significance. Architectural marvels. Old Town Hall and astronomical clock. One of the square's most iconic landmarks is the Old Town Hall, established in 1338. Its Gothic tower offers panoramic views of Prague, providing visitors with a breathtaking perspective of the city's rooftops and spires. Attached to the town hall is the famous astronomical clock, Orlage, a masterpiece of medieval engineering installed in 1410. The clock's intricate mechanisms display the time, astronomical information, and a parade of moving figures, including the 12 Apostles, which delight spectators every hour. Church of Our Lady before Tin. Dominating the square with its striking twin Gothic spires, the Church of Our Lady before Tin is a symbol of Prague's medieval heritage. Constructed in the 14th century, the church's dramatic facade and richly adorned interior make it a highlight of the square. It also serves as the final resting place of Tycho Brahe, the renowned Danish astronomer who made significant contributions to our understanding of the cosmos. St. Nicholas Church. Located on the opposite side of the square is St. Nicholas Church, a stunning example of Baroque architecture. Completed in the 18th century, the church features an ornate interior adorned with frescoes, chandeliers, and intricate detailing. Its peaceful ambience provides a stark contrast to the lively atmosphere of the square outside. The Jan Hus Memorial. At the center of the square stands the Jan Hus Memorial, a powerful monument dedicated to the Czech reformer and martyr Jan Hus. Erected in 1915, the statue symbolizes the Czech struggle for independence and religious freedom. Hus's legacy continues to resonate with the Czech people, making the monument a focal point of national pride and reflection. Historical buildings. The square is lined with beautifully preserved historical buildings, each with its own unique charm. The House at the Stone Bell, a Gothic residence believed to have hosted King John of Bohemia, and the Kinsky Palace, a Rococo-style building now housing an art gallery, are just two examples of the architectural diversity that surrounds the square. Cultural significance. A center of civic life. Old Town Square has long been a gathering place for Prague's residents. It hosts markets, festivals, and public events, creating a lively atmosphere that reflects the city's vibrant culture. Seasonal markets, such as the Christmas and Easter markets, transform the square into a festive wonderland, complete with stalls, decorations, and traditional Czech delicacies. A symbol of Prague's identity. The square embodies Prague's identity as a city that bridges the past and present. Its historic landmarks and cobblestone streets evoke a sense of timelessness, while the modern energy of its visitors and events keeps it dynamic and relevant. Visiting Old Town Square. Best times to visit. To fully appreciate the beauty and atmosphere of Old Town Square, visiting during the early morning or late evening is recommended. These times offer a quieter experience, allowing visitors to soak in the square's charm without the hustle and bustle of daytime crowds. Sunrise and sunset also provide spectacular lighting for photography. Dining and shopping. The square is surrounded by cafes, restaurants, and shops, offering a variety of culinary and retail experiences. From traditional Czech cuisine to international fare, there is something to satisfy every palate. Souvenir shops and boutiques provide opportunities to take home a piece of Prague's magic. Guided tours. For those interested in delving deeper into the square's history and landmarks, guided tours are an excellent option. Knowledgeable guides provide fascinating insights and stories that bring the square's past to life. Walking tours often include stops at nearby attractions, such as the Jewish Quarter and Charles Bridge. Nearby attractions. Old Town Square's central location makes it an ideal starting point for exploring Prague's other attractions. The Charles Bridge, Wenceslas Square, and Prague Castle are all within walking distance, each offering its own unique experiences and architectural wonders. Legends and mysteries. The astronomical clock's curse. One of the enduring legends associated with Old Town Square involves the astronomical clock. According to folklore, the clock's creator, Master Heinous, was blinded by the city council to prevent him from replicating his masterpiece elsewhere. In revenge, Heinous sabotaged the clock, cursing it to bring misfortune to Prague if it ever stopped working. While the story is likely apocryphal, it adds to the mystique of the horloge. Ghostly apparitions. The square is also said to be haunted by the spirits of those executed in 1621. On certain nights, locals claim to see ghostly figures wandering the square, a chilling reminder of its tumultuous history. Preservation and modernity. Restoration efforts. Preserving the historical integrity of Old Town Square is a top priority for Prague's authorities. Extensive restoration efforts have been undertaken to maintain the square's landmarks and cobblestone streets. Modern interventions, such as underground utilities and discreet lighting, ensure that the square remains functional without compromising its historical charm. A global destination. Old Town Square is not only a cherished symbol of Prague, but also a global destination that attracts millions of visitors each year. Its inclusion on UNESCO's list of World Heritage Sites underscores its significance as a cultural and historical treasure. Conclusion. Old Town Square is more than just a historical site. It is a living testament to Prague's rich heritage and enduring charm. Its blend of stunning architecture, cultural vibrancy, and historical significance makes it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the Czech capital. Whether marveling at the astronomical clock, admiring the Gothic spires of the Church of Our Lady before Tin, or simply soaking in the lively atmosphere, visitors are sure to be captivated by the magic of Old Town Square. Its timeless allure ensures that it will remain a cherished landmark for generations to come.